Good morning, Aunt Annie.
Morning, Annie.
We're opening our presents.
I'm opening our presents.
Oh. Oh my goodness, what is it?
I can know. I can know it is.
Marshall, your present's red.
Okay, this mine.
Open it up. What is it?
What is it, Porter?
I don't know.
Go ahead, open it. Keep opening yours. You can open it.
Marshall, are you going to open yours or you want to give Mommy? What is it, Porter?
What is it?
I think somebody got something.
What is it?
I don't know.
Oh, it looks like a book.
Oh, it's a new book.
Kind of like a new book? What's it about?
What? It's about food.
Do you like trucks? Do you like trucks, buddy?
I like books.
What do you say to Aunt Annie? You say, thanks, Aunt Annie. Thanks, Uncle Matt. Thanks, Noah and Sophia. You wanna help Marshall open his? Come on, Marshall.
Show him how
Marshall, get your present. Marshall's too busy getting me. What did Marshall get? Marshall got a book too. Look, Marshall, you got a big book. It's all your words. You're so excited. Yay. I think Aunt Annie got you a book and a toy. You want to open your toy?
Yes.
Okay. I'm liking our book. Careful, Daddy. Oh, that one's Porter's, Marshall. You have one. You should open yours. There you go, Marshall. You open that one.
Go ahead, Porter. Porter, open yours.
Or you want to slide over and then I can get you both. Get in there.
Started. There you go.
Oh, Marshall's opening his. What is it?
I can't know it. It's a pirate ship.
It's a pirate ship?
I can't get out.
I know, Mommy can help get it out. Here, get all the paper off of it. Do you love it? Marshall, what did you get? Dolphins for the tub. Got dolphins to play in the tub. Yay! Marshall, can you say thanks, Noah and Sophia? That's close. Say thank you.
Now I can't get out.
Yeah, Mom can help. Can you say thank you? You look at the camera and say Merry Christmas.
We did this.
Merry Christmas. Marshall, say Merry Christmas.
We did this.
You want to get by Marshall quick? Not Marshall. Okay, say thank you.
I want to.
Okay, I'm going to help Porter open that up because he's so excited. Thanks, guys. Merry Christmas.